It starts small. A crack, a leak, a door that never quite closes. The part that's failing wasn't made this year. It was made for a car the world stopped building a long time ago. And when you go looking for it, half the time, it just isn't there. In 1918, a Minnesota family started making rubber for the first cars on the road. In 1962, they couldn't find a seal for an old classic, so they made it. Then they made the next one, and the next. If you can't find them, make them. 4 generations later, we still make every part right here in the USA. Over 15,000 of them. Soft enough to close clean, built to outlast you. That's the sound of done right. We love these cars as much as you do. Metro Moulded Parts, keeping the classics alive since 1918. Find your part at metroparts.com.